In this video we will discuss about trip transfer scheme. This is basic circuit diagram of trip transfer scheme of any substation having only two numbers of bay and one TBC bay. Above this line, this is control room and this part is in switch yard. Suppose each circuit breaker have only one trip coil. Now if any fault appears in this line, then this 86 will operate, but see that this 86 is connected with this trip coil and this 86 is also connected with this trip coil, because see this is bus wire and this is positive and this positive comes to each and every bay, and this positive comes to each and every bay and each 86 is connected to this trip coil. But for which bay operation this trip coil will operate? This is decided by operation of this NIT switch. This switch is present in each bay. Now if any fault occurs in this bay, then suppose overcurrent or distance protection will operate, and as a result this 86 will operate. But operation of this 86 will trip this circuit breaker or this circuit breaker. This is decided by this switch. During normal operating procedure, when one circuit breaker is healthy, then this switch is generally keep in normal condition. Then this circuit breaker will operate as a result of operation of this 86, because negative is firmly connected to this trip coil, and if this contact makes, then this positive will come and of course operate this trip coil. But for the operation of this 86, this will never operate, because as the switch is in normal condition, so there is no continuity. So in spite of presence of positive of this bay, and as this path is discontinued, this voltage cannot go to this trip coil. So this trip coil will not operate. But during transition condition, when we divert this circuit breaker when we divert load of this circuit breaker to this circuit breaker, then generally we engage this and these both circuit breakers in parallel, because we cannot interrupt our load. In that condition, if fault occurs in this line, then of course we have to trip this and these both breakers, because as these two are connected in parallel. So we should trip both circuit breakers in that condition. Now how this is achieved? This is achieved by this switch also. In that condition, generally we keep the switch in inter condition. Then in inter condition, this path is continuous and this path is also continuous. So in that condition, as positive of this TBC bay is present here, and as the contact is in make condition, so this voltage of TBC, see this is the positive, this comes across this circuit, this comes here, and this is make condition. So this voltage goes, and in that way this trip coil will energized and TBC is tripped. TBC circuit breaker is now tripped, and this breaker will obviously tripped because this is also connected, this path is also continuous. So this, if this 86 operated, then this and this both trip coil will energize and trip both circuit breakers. Now after completion of this diversion operation in switch at, we generally switch off this circuit breaker, then only this circuit breaker is in circuit. This circuit breaker is switched on, because we have to maintain this circuit breaker. In that condition, we keep this switch in transfer condition, in transfer position. Then if fault occurs and this 86 gets operated, then in spite of making of this contact, this trip coil will not get energized and this breaker will not tripped, because this path is now discontinued as this switch is in this transfer position. In that condition, only this path is continuous, and of course this circuit breaker will trip, because positive will come in this way and this 86 in is make condition. So, this voltage goes, TBC circuit breaker will trip. But always remember that this trip transfer scheme is only applicable if line side CT is present there. If there is bus side CT, then trip transfer is not possible, because during diversion of this load to TBC, then this bay will not have any CT, as this is a bus side CT. So, this relay will never operate. So, there is no meaning of trip transfer scheme. Now, if there is two CT in circuit, that is when it is a line side CT, then if we transfer load of this bay to this TBC, then there is two CTs, because this CT is always connected, this is line side CT. So, this is always connected in line, and as the load is diverted to TBC. So, this CT is also now connected in series with line. So, these two CTs are engaged. So, when there is line side CT, then this protection and this protection both are in enabled condition, but we can disable this protection by this in out switch. This is 86, this bay also have a 86, and this 86 is operated by overcurrent or distance relay of this TBC bay. But if we trip transfer, because we are transferring the trip of this bay to this trip coil. So, we do not need this bay's own distance or overcurrent relay. So, then we will keep this switch, this is protection in out switch, protection selection switch. So, we will keep this switch in out condition. So, this own bay, this TBC bay 86 will not operate, but there may be condition that this bay 86 is not healthy. Suppose this 86 gets burnt out, then if we transfer the trip or we use trip transfer scheme, then this circuit breaker will not trip on operation of this 86, because this 86 is burnt out. In that condition, we will not trip transfer, we will keep this switch to normal condition, because if we transfer this trip, it will not actually trip, because there is no relay. In that condition, we can still divert load of this breaker to this breaker by selecting this protection in condition. So, this is own breaker, own bay TBC bay protection selection switch, but in normal condition we should not take this protection, we should keep this switch in out condition, because then we have this protection in this bay, and if we select this protection in condition, then there will be two protection. This will create a complicacy. So, we generally keep this switch in out condition. So, this is trip transfer scheme, and if you have any problem or question, you can write it in comment section. Thank you.